In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your layout in the Wix Studio editor and compress a specific cell box element inside a responsive grid. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to your Wix Studio project so you can work directly inside the editor. Make sure the layout you want to adjust is fully loaded before you start clicking around. This helps you avoid selecting the wrong layer or editing the wrong section by mistake. Once you're inside the Wix Studio editor, locate the layout you want to work on. Take a moment to visually scan the page and identify the responsive grid section you need to edit. Responsive grids are useful because they help organize content in a structured way while adapting across different screen sizes, so it's important to make sure you're selecting the exact section intended for this change. Next, click on the targeted responsive grid section. When you do this, you should see that the section becomes active, usually with visible selection outlines or editing controls. This confirms that you're working at the grid level and not on another nearby element. If the page contains multiple grid-based sections, zooming in a bit or using the editor's visual boundaries can make it easier to confirm you've selected the correct one. After the responsive grid section is selected, focus on finding the specific cell box element layout you want to compress. This is the individual cell within the grid that needs to be adjusted. Click directly on that cell box element so the editor highlights it as the active selection. Be careful to choose the exact cell, especially if several cells are close together or contain similar content. At this stage, you have successfully reached the element you need to compress. The main goal here is precision. First entering the correct layout, then selecting the right responsive grid, and finally choosing the exact cell box element that needs adjustment. Taking these steps in order helps prevent accidental edits elsewhere in the design and makes the layout editing process much smoother. As a final tip, whenever you're working with responsive layouts, it's a good idea to double check your selection before making any size-related changes. Small adjustments inside a grid can affect spacing and alignment, so being intentional at the selection stage is key. That's it for this process. You're now in the right place within Wix Studio to work on the cell box element you want to compress.